Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an after dark clean with me. I'm hoping to give you some motivation to clean up your kitchen or any space around your house before you go to bed. I don't cook dinner at my house. We usually have snacks, a cup of milk or tea, or if there are leftovers and anybody wants, they can always have them. But then there are those days when there are no leftovers and everybody's just too hungry. I will be forced to make easy meals like noodles, and this is what I did on this particular night. I don't have a dishwasher like most people here on YouTube. In fact, I have never had one. All my life I've hand washed the dishes even as a kid, and that's normal to me. That's the normal that I know. Someone asked me here if I think of ever buying a dishwasher or a laundry machine. Honestly, no. I'm okay with hand washing. If I could afford a laundry machine, maybe I could buy, but it is expensive here. So I'm still hand washing the dishes and the clothes. The laundry machine would do me so much favor because, believe me, hand washing is not an easy task. It's very difficult. It's very tiresome. But for now, I'm still hand washing the dishes and the laundry. But thank you for asking. Every time I go to bed with my dishes washed, a clean sink, countertops free from anything, I have a good sleep, and when I wake up, I feel like half of the things I'm supposed to do are done. So I feel happy because I feel like half of my to-do list in the morning is done. But that is not always the case. Sometimes I'm too tired to touch a cup, or I just relax and spend some time with my family. So sometimes I go to bed with a dirty kitchen. So I want to ask you guys, do you have a nighttime cleaning routine, or you just like me, you clean whenever you can? If it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I would love for you to stay for more cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle motivational videos. Kindly subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below if you haven't already. I can't thank you enough. I'll talk to you in a few days with a brand new video, inshallah. Take care of yourselves and stay safe.